sleek, exquisite structure that fits flawlessly around your work area, a solitary dock for a telephone, AirPods, and smartwatch, faster charging than the ordinary charges, supports nightstand mode for your smartwatch, compatible with all Qi-enabled phones and smartwatches via the ChargeDock Pro. The ChargeDock Pro is a multifunctional remote charging dock that energizes all the while to 3 gadgets, rather than utilizing an alternate charger for your telephone, your watch and AirPods every night. You can set each of the 3 on our dock. Additionally, with the 7.5 watts charging vitality, your gadgets will be accused speedier than of an ordinary 5-watt charger. You can depend on our ChargeDock Pro that it won't overheat your gadgets, and with the cheat, over voltage and high temperature control insurance, your gadgets will be sheltered consistently. High caliber, reliable technology, and design with everything taken into account, the ChargeDock Pro fits preferably on everybody's end table or work area. This 3 of every 1 dock utilizes 7.5 watt remote innovation rather than the 5 watts, so you can expect the quickest conceivable remote charging speed. In any case, Hello Tech usefulness isn't the main thing our accusing dock happens to. Its polish is appropriated by a sturdy packaging and an unpretentious delicate completion. The smooth surface is ensured to help your gadgets without scratching them, while the elastic material will keep your telephone despite everything, regardless of whether it rings and vibrates. With the non-slid cushion on the base of the dock, the dependability of the whole unit, vacant or full, is ensured. Made for all Android and iOS phones 8 and later that help remote charging. Likewise for AirPods and Android and iOS smartwatches. Genuine value for money. The specialists have affirmed that the ChargeDock Pro is really an incentive for your cash. And given the common sense and viability, different docks in a similar value extent don't have a potential for success.